Have you ever forgotten who you've given a set of spare house keys to? I have.
Thanks, Ned.
Keeping track of recovery strategies and backup items can be a bit like that. But now there's a solution. In the latest of the Azure news, keeping track of your backups is now a thing. Entity recognition in Cognitive Services is supercharged, and your secrets are now more secretive? First up, Backup Explorer is now in preview. If you've ever had to manage backups, you're going to love this. It's a built-in Azure Monitor workbook, providing you with a single view to perform real-time monitoring of your backups across Azure. And in a case of why did no one think of this before, it also shows you any supported resources in your account that are not configured for backup. If you're increasingly migrating resources to Azure, that is super useful. You can drill down to look at backup items, jobs, alerts, and policies, and you can also jump straight to those from Backup Explorer itself. It currently supports Azure Virtual Machines with support for other workloads coming soon. Next up is Azure Cognitive Services. New types have been added to the preview of Named Entity Recognition version 3 in Text Analytics. It can now detect additional personal information types like person, organization, age, date, and so on. But it can also detect job roles called person types, products, events, skills, and more. This sounds super complicated, but it's actually really cool. It means you can give it strings of text, and it will detect and label the items with their known classification. So an example might be, Lars Klint, a person, is an instructor, person type, at A Cloud Guru, an organization, who uses a laptop, product, for data mining, a skill. This expands the service from something that was quite good for identifying personal information into something that could be really useful to a range of other industries. Finally, Azure Key Vault private endpoints can now be used in Azure Private Link, which is now in preview. This will allow you to access Azure services over a private endpoint in your virtual network, with traffic flowing through the Microsoft Backbone network rather than the public internet, keeping your secrets just that little bit safer. So that's it for this week. And remember, seek and you probably should cloud. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.